High above a green village lived a tiny cloud named Puff. All the other clouds loved to rain, but Puff was scared. What if I disappear? What if no one likes the rain? One very hot day, the land below began to dry up. Flowers drooped. Animals grew tired. Puff looked down and saw a little bird searching for water. Taking a deep breath, Puff made a brave choice. Drip, drip, splash. Rain fell softly over the village. Children laughed. Flowers bloomed again. And something magical happened. Puff didn't disappear. Puff felt lighter, happier, and braver than ever. Because sometimes, being brave means helping others, even when you're afraid. Moral: courage begins when you choose to try.